Hello. If you want to have a continuous episode number in your video files, create an action script. First, save the script with a new name. The first entry in the script should be a query with which number the numbering starting from. Select Prompts, and then Prompt for Text. Drag the entry to the right side of the editor. Now enter a text that should be displayed in the pop-up window. When you run the script, you have to fill in a value in the pop-up window which is then stored in a variable. Select the track variable 0 as the first variable. If you want, you can hide all other information in the pop-up window. In the next entry, we create an index of the selected video files. Choose Files and then Get Property. Drag the entry to the right side. In the pop-up list, select File Index. What can you do with this function? The index always starts at 0 and is then always increased by 1 for the next file. The index values should then be stored in a new variable. Select variable 1. With the next entry, we use the information from variable 0 and variable 1 to carry out a calculation using an expression. Choose Numeric and then Evaluate Expression. Drag it to the right. Make a right-click in the input mask. Select Insert Yate Escape Sequence, and then Numeric Expressions. Now replace the word expression with the function \v0 plus \v1. The result of the calculation must be entered in another variable. Select variable 2. What does this function do? This function adds two values together, the value from variable 0 with the value from variable 1. For example, if you enter 11 as start number, the index number from variable 1 is added to the starting number in variable 0. 11 plus 0 is 11. 11 plus 1 is 12. 11 plus 2 is 13. And so forth. And now let's enter the result from variable 2 in the episode field. Select Assignments, and then Copy. Drag it to the right. In the pop-up menu of Copy From, select variable 2. Select Episode as the target. And now save the script. Select all files you want to edit. Run the script. Enter the start number from when the numbering should begin.
That's it.